Hey guys, Stu here from Main Street Mower with a really quick video. Today we're racing these three heads against each other. I am going to put identical amounts of line in all three of these heads. It's about 24 feet to see which one I can do the fastest. Let me tell you what heads these are. This is the Stihl 27-2. This is the Stihl C26-2. And this is the Speedfeed 4050. Three really popular heads. We've already done an in-depth video where we break these heads down and we go into all the nuts and bolts, all of your head options from Stihl and aftermarket, and there's a link to this video here. We're gonna start the timer and I'm gonna go as fast as I can to fill these heads, and then we'll have a conclusion. Ready? Go. All right, stop the timer. All right, next. Ready? Go. We were thinking about calling Guinness, but we didn't. We decided they wouldn't care. Oh, this one's gonna be way faster. Okay, you gotta get an even amount of line on both sides, so we're gonna start from here. Okay. That's it. All right, and now for the Stihl 26-2. Ready, go. Oh, it's moving. Ooh, I'm sweating. Okay guys, that was it. I'm a little sweaty from racing myself. This was our clear winner, and it is not a steel head. It is one that we carry here at our shop, and we do like it. This head was second. This is the manual one that I opened up. And this newer head was third. You saw kind of the struggles that I had. One was that as you're trying to shoot the line into the hole, you may not hit the receiving cup properly, and then it doesn't come out the other side. The other thing is that it's hard to twist this head. It's something we've given Stihl our feedback on, but I think this one has pretty good patent protections, according to this here, and it's hard to copy this exactly. So that's our results. First, second, third. That's it, guys. This was our review of these 3 heads and how quickly I can refill them. Thank you for making it to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. Hit the bell. You'll get that notification on Friday when we drop a new video. Put any questions or comments you have in the comment section below. I literally sit on my couch at night and answer those. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.